All right, let's look at one more problem, and it's going to be actually this one down here, the eccentricity of an ellipse. So the eccentricity is E equals C over A. Okay, remember the A squared and B squared and C squared? It's C over A. Okay, the point in a planet's orbit where it is closest to the sun is the perihelion, the distance A minus C. Let's take a look at right, so you have the foci and the vertices, right? So A minus C, that's A minus C, that's that distance, right? And then the point where it is farthest away, right? So if you're looking, that's A plus C. So it's A plus C, okay? All right, that's if it was over here, right? So this is the closest is A minus C, and the farthest would be over here, that's A plus C, right? This is like the orbit, and one of these is like the sun, right? Let's pick that one. A minus C, that distance, A plus C is that distance. All right, so let's take a look at this. So Pluto is 7.376 times 10 to the 9th kilometers at aphelion. That means the farther distance. If the eccentricity of Pluto's orbit is 0.2488, find the closest distance between Pluto and the Sun. The closest distance again would be A minus C. All right, so here's what we have. The eccentricity 0.2488 is C over A, right? And at aphelion, that means A plus C is 7.376 times 10 to the 9th power. Okay, so that's really a system of equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve one of these for one of the variables. So I'm going to say if I multiply by A, C is 0.2488A, right? And then I'm going to replace that over here. So this is A plus 0.2488A equals 7.376 times 10 to the 9th. So this is 1.2488A is 7.376 times 10 to the 9th. So I divide by 1.2488. And I get A equals 5.91 times 10 to the 9th. That's A, and so now I can find C. So C is 0.2488 times A, which is 5.91 times 10 to the 9th, and I get C is about 5.91 times 2.488 times 10 to the 9th, about 1.47 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, so now we can do C minus A, right? So C minus A is going to be 5.91 times 10 to the 9th minus 1, I think I'm hiding my word, minus 1.47 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, that's going to be about 4.44 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, so that's our answer. C minus A, the closest point, is 4.44 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, let me see. We have a couple of problems that we're going to leave for class. So these two on this page, and then one on the last page, which is solving a system of equations, and we'll see that in class.